Will you guys relax? We are on the threshold of establishing the indispensable defense science of the next decade. Professional paranormal investigations and eliminations. The franchise rights alone will make us rich beyond our wildest dreams.
People are afraid to report these kind of things.
Maybe, but no one ever advertised before.
So, besides this, there's another substantial work area in the basement, office space, sleeping quarters, and showers on the next floor, and you got your full kitchen on the top level. It's 10,000 square feet total.
It's 9,655.44 square feet.
What is he, your accountant?
Well, he's my dad.
It just seems a little pricey for a unique fixer-upper opportunity, that's all. What do you think, Egon?
I think this building should be condemned. There's serious metal fatigue in all the load-bearing members. The wiring is substandard. It's completely inadequate for our power needs. And the neighborhood is like a demilitarized zone.
Hey, does this pole still work? Wow, this place is great. When can we move in? You gotta try this pole. I'm gonna get my stuff. Hey, we should stay here tonight. Sleep here, you know, to try it out.
I think we'll take it.
Good. Say, what are you going to call your new business?
Ghostbusters.
Oh, well, this place is perfect for it.